What's going on, Dog Nation, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. So today, we're opening up some boxes. We got a way cold one, and then towards the end, we're going to be opening Crown Zenith. I haven't opened Crown Zenith at all. So, yeah. So let's just get into it. Now, guys, it is actually my birthday today, so that's why I have these boxes. And I was like, you know what? Let's record me opening them, because, like, why not? Oh, I almost hit Jace. I'm so sorry. Alright, we got the Fuego pin. Alright. We got the Miraidon EX. The new EXs from Scarlet and Violet. Alright, I say we open this, let's open the Brilliant Stars, then the Silver Tempest. I don't know why. I legit don't know why. Because you can get the, I don't know. Okay, man. Okay, whatever. Alright. First pack. Let's get some first pack magic, hopefully. There's a code card. Alright, here we go. First pack magic. We got Barry, Torkoal, Buzzle, Hlucha, Magmar, Staryu, and a Garchomp Hollow. Hey, it's a Hollow. It's not bad. Hollows aren't bad. Okay, my hair is like, there's like this string of hair, and it's driving me nuts. It's right here. It's driving me nuts. Wow, that pack opened really easily. Well, there's the code. Here we go. Energy. Choice Belt. Starly. Staryu. Oh, I thought that was double reverse hollow. Boom. Muck. But that is 2 rares in 1 pack. Can't complain. Alright. Silver Tempest. Let's get...
Pack?
What?
You have a mistake pack?
No, I thought I did, but it's not. It's because there was 2 dark energies, and I was like, what's going on here? All right, here we go. Come on. Energy. Golbat. Meowstic. Ponyta. Venomoth. Feebas. Arcanine, which is a rare. And Hisuian Lilligant. All right. Last pack for the Paldea collection box. Then we are going to jump into Crown Zenith. And guys, I'm not even joking. I have not opened Crown Zenith at all. So it will be my first time. And I know Crown Zenith's really hard to come across. Like we have, I literally haven't seen any.
Last week I checked and there was none, and then Dad...
Gardevoir.
And Mom yesterday was like, hey, what do you want? And I was like, Crown Zenith? That's the new set? And then Dad went to find it and he said that there were so many boxes. I was like, well, bruh.
Alright. Crown Zenith. Let's open this, guys. I'm actually excited. I want to keep the box in good shape. Because I did not do that with the Paldea collection box. Oh, wait, here. Guys, I'm so sorry. Here's the code card for the Paldea collection box. My bad. I'll see if I can open this well.
Why are the cups there?
I don't know. Alright. Finally. Wow, that was very gentle. Alright. Jeez Louise. Okay. There's the code card. There's the Pikachu VMAX. Oops, I did not mean to throw it. And if I'm not mistaken, we got 6.
No, you got
5? My bad. 5 Crown Zenith packs right there. I'm gonna put that right there. Alright, here we go. Crown Zenith. I dropped it. Oh, that was my bad. Crown Zenith. Here we go. Black code card. I don't know what that means. I can't remember. There's some like glitter on me. Here we go. Leaf Energy. Tang. Bidoof. Arma. Love Disc. Lycanroc. And a double. I swear if I don't pull anything today, guys, that would be so bad. Here we go. Energy retrieval. There's a lot of energy. Like energy switch. Energy retrieval. Alright, execute. Oh!
I don't know what that is. No freaking way.
I don't know.
Give me that card right now. No, sleeve. No. Sleeve it and then top loader. Sleeve then top loader. Bro. That's
Go.
crazy.
Dude, there's no way.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Look at that artwork, bro. There's Charizard in the back. I'm gonna carry on with the opening, guys, but like...
Yeah, because you get this is a 2-pack version. It doesn't... In the Charizard Premium Collection Box or something, there's the second version, and it's from Charizard's point of view. This is from Mewtwo. So now when it's Charizard fighting Mewtwo, and this one's Mewtwo fighting Charizard, it's just a different version of it.
I don't know. Is that a good card? Look it up on... Oh, wait, no, you can't.
It's pretty cool. We'll look it up. What? I don't... Yo, what?
That's one of the...
What? What?
Guys. This box. Did you pick this out or Dad did?
Dad.
Dude.
This box is goated. That's crazy.
I ain't spent my gun out.
That's disgusting.
We still have 2 more packs, guys. So don't go anywhere. That is so cringe. Alright. Bro, I'm kind of like shaking. That's like
Crazy.
2 of the best cards in the set, I believe. Don't quote me on that.
Yo, bro, it's not now, chief.
No. Swear, if we get like another good hit. Someone's at oh, and the Snorlax, which I don't like. I don't really like the Snorlax. I like it, but I don't like it. Bro, guys.
That'd be crazy, bro.
Dude, those are like one of the most expensive cards in the set, I believe. I don't know about the Mewtwo.
Dude, hey, even if I just pulled that from that box, I'd still be happy about that.
Dude, the Zoroark, bro. Alright, here we go. Shaman, Litleo, Shinx, Wooloo. Ooh. Radiant Charizard! Not the Pokemon Go one, but it's still a good card.
Pretty crazy.
Yo, guys. Let's look at the 2 hitters again. So the Mewtwo V-Star. Then the Hisuian Zoroark V.
Yo, that'd be crazy, bro.
And then the Charizard. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. And hit that notification bell. Ding to be notified when my next video comes out. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye, y'all.